Hello guys, good to see you. This is Judy from HOMELAND. Every month we will share about 5 hot items such as sofa, chairs, cabinet, and coffee table. So if you are interested about find good quality, high quality with good design furniture, please follow us and attention about small bill. And now let me share you about today's top 5. So let's go.
This sofa is in a regular shape with good design, high-density foam with accurate stitching line, and the quality was needed 10 years experienced master to finish. The Econ sofa was finished with Weaver fabric. It's moderate and Asian design. Its soft fabric and comfortable armrest will make you love it very much. For top 3, it is like a piano sofa, finished with faux leather, the round shape armrest like the moon, stable structure with solid wood, and this good design could be easily for family room. For the top 2 is flower sofa, very nice design, and it is finished with chenille fabric. It could be weatherproof and dirt-proof. Also, its function, structure, and backrest, with comfortable sitting size. The cloud sofa is the most hot sale items. It is finished with suede leather, soft touch like baby skin. Meanwhile, it's filled with feather, like sofa with more soft and comfortable.
Thanks for watching today. If you want to learn more about other products, please leave a message to us. And tomorrow we will share about top 5 or dining table. And if you want to get more professional furniture information, please follow us and watch our small bill. And see you on tomorrow.